found this on Instagram today and I want to try it with you guys. Which area didn't I point to?
The wing. The wing.
So I want you to go like this. So I need you to say wing 20 times as fast as you can.
Wing, 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 wing,
Hello?
wing, wing, wing. Oh my god! I was waiting for a magic trick!
For those of you who don't know, I live in Bali. And every few months I come back home so I can see my friends, my family, and my 2 dogs. And something that you might not know about me is that I love playing pranks on people and I love scaring people. I decided to play a prank on 2 of my good friends, Christy and Tiff. While I'm in Australia, they decided that I could stay at their house, and I decided that I would scare them just a little bit. So, here was the plan. First thing that I did was I went and got a SIM card so I could message them, and they didn't have my number. The crazy thing is that they live in this townhouse where all these townhouses are linked together, and everyone's house got broken into except theirs. So I decided that I was going to send them a message just to get a little bit concerned. 1 house left. These guys are getting robbed tonight. I'm going to go back to Karyong. And I sent them a time without any context just to get them a little bit scared. I made sure that after every single message that I deleted my messages so that in that way if they asked to see my phone, they wouldn't see that it was me. And I blocked their number so that they couldn't call me. I started sending Christy these messages of this scary little creature, and she got a bit concerned and she called her family up asking what should she do.
We don't know that like it's just a random number. And then it said 9:17 PM tonight. I never get scared, I'm scared. Keep your phone on your dad.
Then there was a point where Christy and Tiff thought that they heard a certain sound in another room, and they went and checked just to make sure that there was no one in the house. Go Tiff.
I'm so scared.
Then, as they went back into the lounge room, I quickly snuck outside and I took a picture at the front of their house so I could use that for later. But remember that I sent them a message saying 9:17 PM. We were all just chilling out on the lounge waiting for something to happen. But nothing happened at 9:17 PM, and that was all intentional. So a few minutes went by and they thought that nothing was happening, so I went into the bathroom so I could send them a message with a picture of the front gates.
I don't feel comfortable about it at all.
Should we go look?
So creepy.
No, did any of you guys see that?
Oh my god. Oh.
Okay.
After having my fun and scaring them, I decided that it was time to reveal that it was me who was messaging them. So I decided that I was going to give Christy a call from the number that I've been messaging her on.
Oh fuck. No, that's you. Yo. Hello? Hello? Fuck.
Yeah.
Yes. What? I am so confused.
Boom! Yes. How do you feel? Prank complete.
Oh my god, you documented all of that.
Yesterday I was speaking to Christy about creating a posting schedule for YouTube, right? For me, my intention is to consistently make content that inspires people, that educates people, that entertains people. Right now on YouTube, there is no structure. There will be like, I'll post and then 2 weeks later, I'll post another one, or a month later will go by, then I'll post another one. 2 months will go by, then I'll post another one. And I know that I can be doing so much more on this YouTube channel. I just thought to myself, well, why don't I just create a schedule where I post 2 pieces of content every single week and then 1 vlog. And those pieces of content is going to be something that is inspiring, something that is going to be educating people on life or on spirituality or the law of attraction or something like that. And then once a week I do something like this where I do a vlog. Like, I don't really know how to vlog that well. Like, I did like 6 vlogs a few years ago, but I think it's good being around Christy because she loves vlogging. She does it all the time, and I'm kind of seeing how she does it and I'm learning. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing. What do you guys reckon? Do you reckon I should do that? One of the things that I'm scared about committing to 3 times a week is that there is this part of me that doesn't believe that I can do 3 times a week consistently. Can any of you relate to that? Where there is this voice, there's this part of you that wants to do something, and then there's another part of you, this, I call it the illusionist, right? Or some people call it the ego, that tells you that you can't do it. And I feel like it would be an amazing challenge for me to be able to do 3 times a week of posting 2 personal development videos and 1 vlog, and showing myself that I can do this, and also remembering that my purpose here is to inspire, is to educate people, is to help people unleash that potential within them and allow them to bring that out into the world so they can show up powerfully in all areas of their life. And I would really love your support with this. Like, if you have any topics that you would love for me to speak about, please leave them in the comments. Let me know what was the favorite part of this video, and also please let me know what are some of the topics that you'd love for me to answer, or any questions that you have. Please leave them down below, because I'm 100% going to answer them. I would love your feedback. Leave them down below, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps this video. And until I see you all in the very next video, remember to love all living beings, and most importantly, love thyself.